You know, as we become more advanced and, kind of have the capacity now to kind of do anything, I'm wondering whether we're losing our ability to consider or contemplate efficient structures, right? We're, as structural engineers, as a profession, we've become, I think, very compliant, right? We were given a design by the architect with a vision, and the architect has this idea that it's doable, right? Because everything is doable. And we don't carefully consider the fact that, or question, is this a good solution, right? Or is this an efficient solution? Or is this the best value solution? We don't take that step back. We just jump into stage 3 and start designing, right? Rather than say, just a second, can we take a step back? Can we take a step back to stage 0 and contemplate, what the most efficient structure is here, and then work on that? And I think that's evidenced by the fact that we are very rarely nowadays asked to come up with a design that is efficient, right? So to start at the beginning with the architect, with the premise that we're going to do a design here which is efficient, and that's what we're driving. That's what we're driving for, and that's actually where our specialty is. So you're not taking advantage of that to not ask us that. And I'm wondering also whether this is the reason why we are missing out on the missing middle, right? We're good at doing single residence houses. We're good at doing high-rise buildings, but what about that missing middle? And the reason that we're missing, and affordable housing for that matter. And the reason I think we're missing out on that is because we're not asking these questions about what is the efficient structure, because these things are just too expensive to build. Because I don't think they've ever contemplated what is the most economical way to build these buildings. And I think that's the challenge that we have with this missing middle. In order to combat that, I think we need to start again, right? I think we need to go back and say, okay, what is an efficient build here? What is the best way to build? And that's a complex question, right? Because it has to tie into a builder or developer and has to tap into their expertise, whether it be timber, steel, glass, aluminum, whatever, right? It has to tap into their expertise, and that's where we need to go with that.